Hi guys, so welcome to Days in My Life. Today it's 11:57 a.m. I'm here at Vida Yoga.
And then you have your block at the top of your mat. At the medium height. Now this. Keep step back, boom, and straight your right leg. Do the extension. You block and reach hands to your right leg. One more time. Then after this, we're gonna do one more and then behind the right leg, right up to the sky, right up by your side body, left leg back. And then you're gonna see two more legs going up. No rush. Do what you need to do to feel the 1, 2, 3 taste. Mindful that it's not so much of a belt of core, obliques, and
So I just finished doing yoga lattes at Vida, and now I'm gonna go head home because I need to pack my stuff. I haven't packed yet. So pagod, pero it was a good sweat sesh. Ang ganyan. Linaw naman.
Ay, linaw.
Oh yan.
Pag talaga ka nun, no?
Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Hello, my date tonight.
Let's get sinuglaw.
Oh, sinuglaw ba yan?
Sinuglaw.
Sinuglaw, okay.
Or siya may twist.
Ano yung twist?
Yung color.
Yung color. Tikman mo kung masarap. Kinilaw, no? So, kinilaw ba yan?
Sabi, mas masarap daw magsama-sama.
Oh, sige, go. Try mo. Go. Masarap? Sige. Masarap, masarap, masarap. Okay na, huwag na yung may alam. Ayoko na malaman.
Ito na.
Sarap.
Kaya namimix na.
Picky eater ako, pero gusto ko siya. It's good. Ano yan?
Diba?
Okay din siya, pero mas gusto ko yung kanina. Tuna yun? It's good. Sorry ka.
Kaya siya tinawag na Katipunan Express. Yung first location namin sa Katipunan.
Katipunan. Okay. So, so you have a location in Katipunan right now? Or wala na?
Na-is nag-transfer ng location.
You transferred na. Okay.
This one naman po, support
isa pa pala.
Puro.
Okay.
On top po siya ng black fermented rice. So 7 days siyang binuro with the green mangoes.
7 days? Really? Wow. Squeeze to yung calamansi. Squeeze ko na.
Sa isa lang, para mataya na. Pwede mo siyang ilapit ng ganyan. Pwede mo siyang ng ganyan. Tayo natin yung merong kalamansi.
This one naman guys.
Ito muna tumigil. Ito muna tumigil. Alam?
Ano ulit to?
Ito po yung beef short ribs kare-kare. So basically, yung tradition natin ng kare-kare, we use spinach. But here in Kaya, we use cashew sauce from Palawan. And this one sa bagong rice comes with mint.
Ikaw naman. Go. Ikaw mo.
Parang hirap na. Sayang naman. Parang gusto kong kamay na. Hindi ako pang fine dining.
Natutuwa ako sa zoom niya. Parang uy, hindi mo na ng kunti ba?
Masarap ito may kanin.
Masarap sa may kanin.
Ito naman.
Sa kanila. Go. Bakit?
Or tayo na ako.
Hindi, go. Ay, hindi. Ito akin to. Pati ko na yung first. Go. Tingin natin yan.
So hard.
Ganun yung sarili ko. Ito ba? Hindi ba?
Sarap?
Iba pa yun.
Palaman.
Iba pa yun. Ano sarap?
It's good.
Hindi ko na kanin.
Sarap.
It's good, guys. Nakita nyo naman.
Kain po.
There, guys. Cheers!
din pa si Ate Mika.
Ay, so mocktail lang kanya.
I can't drink kasi I have work.
Yeah, she can't drink because she has work.
This is how we welcome everyone in here. This is one of our ritual or part of our hospitality. Welcome you tonight, Karen and Aya. Thank you for coming to Aya also. We hope you enjoy everything.
Thank you!
We're not telling cheers or kampay here. We're saying tagay.
Tagay!
Tagay.
Okay, tagay!
Welcome.
You're doing so well.
Oh, it's good. It's good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hi guys, so I'm gonna try Chowking Choco Pao for the first time ever. Ano ba siya? Choco na chocolate?
Para siyang chocolate chow pao.
Seryoso? Sige, ang init eh. Wait lang. Grabe naman, Milo, sobrang init. Hindi ko makagat.
Diet ka, diba?
Sabi ni Milo, diet ka, diba? May reklamo ko ngayon. Diet kasi ako, guys. So, sabi ko, kailangan ako ng kahati. Ito yung chocolate! Uy, wala. May chocolate ba na dyan?
Ha?
May chocolate to sa loob? Ba't wala?
Kagat, mas good.
Ah, kagat pa? Kung nakagat, tinapay lahat na. Nagda-diet ako, kailangan nakain ko na agad yung chocolate. Aso? Ayun na, nakikita ko na. Eh, puro tinapay lang nakain ko, ngayon ko lang nakikita yung chocolate eh. Pero diet ako. Kainin nyo na to. Sarap na. Masarap siya. Nasa kasang chocolate siya lang ba? Actually. Yeah. Okay guys, diet na ako. Someone has to share with me. Kainin mo na, Mix. Ano ko lang, ano? Kung iya ko! Kainin na! Okay, bye guys. Hindi ko nakakainin to kasi diet talaga ako. Bye! Hi guys! So, I just finished playing golf and now I'm not sure if iuwi ako or if magpapagupit ako kasi when I want something, lagi siyang nasa isip ko, like hindi siya nawawala sa isip ko for like the past 2 weeks or the past week. I've been wanting to get a haircut. However, I'm just scared to do it kasi my hair is perfectly fine right now, so I'm scared na baka pagsisiyan ko. Long hair pa din yung gusto ko. I just want it na medyo may layers. I need to wait 1.5 hours pa kasi medyo puno yung salon. I think the best thing to do right now is to eat first kasi di pa ako kumakain. Kakatawa, out of like all the restaurants here, ang naisipan ko pa talagang kainan right now is Mang Inasal. Like the last time I had Mang Inasal was last January when I went to Sinulog. I really don't eat Mang Inasal because I'm used to Bacolod chicken Inasal. Kasi if you're gonna compare the two, grabe super layo. Ate, yung chicken Inasal regular nyo, ano yan?
Maliit na chicken lang yan siya, ma.
Ah, hindi siya like...
Yes,
Oh, okay. TM1 ate with drink.
unlimited rice na, one rice na.
1 rice na. Okay, thank you. Let's eat! Kuya, saan po pwede kumuha? Sorry. Sa Mang Inasal ka ba? Ah, saan po pwede kumuha ng sabaw? Ah, hi guys, so I'm here. So the haircut that I'm gonna get, I'm just gonna ask them to make it a U-cut, then add long or medium layers, and then curtain bangs. So para lang magkaroon siya ng dimension because my hair is so plain and boring. Hi guys, so I really love my haircut. Like, I love it. It's not a drastic change, but I didn't want a drastic change, so it's really the perfect one for me. I really love it actually. So now we're gonna head to dinner. I know kakakain ko lang, pero my dad wants to have dinner at Jasmine. So yeah, it's funny because I've been eating Chinese, like actually Din Tai Fung. I've been eating Din Tai Fung for like 3 days na kahapon, and well, now I'm not planning to get any more Din Tai Fung, but wala, my dad wants to have dinner at a Chinese restaurant. So it's still like, it's not Din Tai Fung, but it's still Chinese. Okay, wala, share ko lang. But yeah, makikita nyo dito yung duality ko. Kasi kanina sa Mang Inasal ako kumakain, tapos biglang ngayon sa New World. Nakakaloka. Where are we? We're gonna eat dinner.
Yeah, and I already went here.
Wow!
Look at her hair. Yummy and tasty. Shout about.
Wow! Wow, good. Ay, that's